thank you for the supporters to come here to support us, make all the difference, and thank you for my voice to run and to make extra energy today. Thank you. I think our players make a fantastic job because it's not easy to play in the artificial pitch like today, because we not use it training or play on this kind of field. And today, because rain was difficult to control the ball. On the first half, I think we have 3 big chances. Opponent team have 1 chance that win the corner, but go to half time 0-0. After, on the first chance that opponent team have, score goal, but after we have many chances, we scored 3 goals. I think was a good game with opportunities for the 2 sides. Ogan team have good players with speed, and also they have more adaptation to this kind of field, so it's normal that they win many second balls because they already know where the ball gonna be. Sometimes we have difficult to predict if the ball go to jump or not. Opponent team already know, and sometimes this make the difference. But I'm very proud of my players, because with all these difficulties, it's not easy to win away on a competition like AFC Cup, and a good example is that the Vietnam team lose here. So thank you for the supporters to come here to support us, make all the difference, and thank you for my voice to run and to make extra energy today. We must know our reality. In this moment our focus already is Liga of Indonesia. We play on 12. Tomorrow we travel. So we have 11, and on 12 we are playing against an opponent that have 11 days to prepare this match. So in this moment we want to recover all the players and try to focus on Liga of Indonesia, because we know that we just have 6 points. We know also that there are teams more strong than us with more budget, and we must be step by step, be humble and work hard and be step by step.
First, thank you. Of course, play here against the Holland is hard field. It's not easy for us. I think we never played this field in like last 2 years. I think so. To be honest, the first like 15-20 minutes, it's too hard to stay the ball. Like all the time, the ball comes. I cannot keep on ball like well. So yeah, we take time to go in take some adaptation to go inside the game. Yeah, when we come to second half, they score like fast. I think the first opportunity. After that, I think our team turned on, and I think it's more like hard. Like we really want the 3 points, and I'm proud of my players, like my teammates. Yeah.
This is just on 30. We're gonna play at home. So before 30 we have many players, many games to have on Indonesia with short period, with tight schedule. We have the FIFA schedule that can help to try to recover some players that are not 100%, that are injured or not 100%. We're gonna try to work this, but after we're gonna play many matches, and in this moment the target is to recover the players that play today, because tomorrow we travel, on 11 we training, and on 12 we are playing. So we are not Manchester City, our aeroplane is not direct, and also we don't have all the conditions to the players can sleep or make the recovery. So for me, these guys make a fantastic work, and we must enjoy, because it's not all the days that we can win away in the artificial pitch that the players are not used to play. So I think, in my opinion, was a fantastic winning away.